Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vishuddhara. Today I am going to talk about Astrovastu and houses. How various houses relates to different directions as per Lal Kitab Vastu. So let's start. First house. According to Lal Kitab, first house relates to east direction. This house is ruled by Mars and the direction east is ruled by Sun. So these two planets plays a prominent role while analyzing the first house and eastern direction according to Astrovastu. If Mars or the things related to Mars like kitchen, electricity meter or other items in the house or Mars in horoscope is afflicted, this part is also going to get affected. Sun is also looked for same. Sun gets exalted in first house and the eastern direction is ruled by Sun. So these two planets plays a very prominent role while analyzing the eastern direction at home. Lal Kitab says that this house also relates to drawing room in the house. So if you have your drawing room towards eastern direction, it gives a very beneficial results. If you don't have it in your eastern direction, but still you maintain your drawing room, you should make it clutter free, beautifully decorated, very well ventilated. There must not be any kind of storage or clutter. There should not be any darkness. Even when we look for curtains, dark colored curtains also blocks sunlight. And being the direction of sun and sun at the early morning purifies our environment and lot of beneficial rays of sun produces medicinal benefits in our body. And as we all know that the main source of vitamin D is also sun. And if this zone gets affected with dark curtains or some kind of storage, or it will be higher, it will be blocked by trees, and there will be no source of sunlight coming in from the eastern direction, we will not get benefit of sunlight, the pure energy of sun that purifies the earth, that gives energies to plants, and in the early morning in between 6 to 8, or we can say 8 to 10 also. So this zone must be clutter free. It should not have been blocked by any kind of wrong things that I have told earlier. Now coming on to drawing room. I was talking about drawing room. Inside house, while analyzing the first house, we can also see the direction of drawing room or the condition of drawing room of person's house. And same, the remedial measure can be followed. If your drawing room is decorated, your lagna, your ascendant is going to get strengthened. So many people ask how I can make my lagna very strong, strengthful. So this is the easiest remedy. Don't put dark colored curtains. Always try to have a light colored curtains. There should not be sunlight or any kind of blockage of light over there. its drawing room should be well decorated and well maintained. This will automatically strengthen your Lagna, according to Astro Vastu of Lal Kitab. Inside house, when we look for the built-in structure, it relates to drawing room. The other items, the other things that it relates to is, you can say, windows. That is also the source of sunlight coming in. Courtyards, especially the right side of windows, plays a very prominent role. So it should be dust free. It should be cleaned properly. Then another thing, any kind of area that let the sunlight come in relates to first house, will make some connection in your horoscope to the first house. Lal Kitab also says the two very important point that Lal Kitab says according to Astro Vastu that should be seen from the first house is boundary of house. So when we talk about boundary of house, what that relates to? That relates to two things. One, the area that has been given to you, your own space, that decides the shape of your house. So while analyzing, when we say the shape of house and we talk about Vastu and shape of house goes hand in hand, because shape of hand plays a very prominent role in Vastu. Whether your house is L-shaped, whether your house has 5 corners, it has square shape, rectangular shape, circular shape, pentagon shape, what kind of shape your house has, that plays a different kind of, that gives different results according to Vastu. And while analyzing the horoscope, first house tells about the shape of house, that how the basic say of Vastu says the rectangular and square houses are the best houses. And while we look for shape, size goes side by side, because it's the size that defines the circumference, and also look for shape, helps in getting the shape of house. So if it means the house that has square shape gives a very beneficial results. But how to see it in the Kundali is through first house and the Rashi in the first house and the planet in the first house according to Lal Kitab, Red Book. These all points should be analyzed. Now, what are the other things that relates to eastern direction that makes it that should be analyzed in the horoscope for Vastu? Windows, curtains should not, dark colored curtains should not be there. Then drawing room, I have told you, their eastern wall should not be taller than other directions. Then we talk about you can say storage. Storage is a very important part. Or darkness. How good your Lagna is. There is some kind of problem you will be going through if you're not going to maintain your drawing room. So best part is to maintain it. Then as a remedial purpose, what are the remedies we can do? Cleaning, cluttering, making it clutter free. Curtains should be in alignment to your planet sitting in the first house, gives best result. Otherwise, you can also use the golden color or orange color that belongs to sun, that gives the effect of exalted sun. Then best is sun with the 7 horses. Painting or a picture of sun with the 7 horses on the eastern direction also gives very beneficial results. One more point that Lal Kitab says and relates to first house is seat, a thorn, your position at your workplace, and how you are going to grow in your position at workplace. Not wealth according, but position. But wealth and position comes together. So It has been said that this house is also called takht. So when we say takht or a chair or a position, so having a very good chair, a chair that depicts like a royal chair, uh, in the eastern wall, with the back in the eastern wall, also strong, makes your lagna strong, your sun good. It helps you making association with the influential people, getting help from the society, from the government. It also gives a very good effect for even children, especially the first child of the house. So these all remedies, and taking care of kitchen also is very important. So these all things when you take care of gives a very good result, and these all things we analyze through Astrovastu. Hope you like the information, the insights I have shared, and for more details, for more things, you can contact me. And this is a series I have started, and today I have discussed first house and Astrovastu, how it relates to direction, what are the constructed area inside the house, what other attributes like boundary of house that relates to shape and size, and then what kind of items inside the house it relates to. I have discussed the remedies, how to make your ascendant strong. I have discussed all. Hope you liked it. And soon I'll be coming up with other 11 houses also according to Astrovastu. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving your time.